Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to share template in Notion. So if you also want to share template in Notion, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up a Notion application, or you can also launch up on any browser of your choice. If you open the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar, then type in www.notion.com. After that, log into your account and then you'll be led to this kind of interface. So you can create your own template, or you can also get started with several templates option that you'll be able to see on Notion. Simply click on the templates option that you can see right over here. Now here you'll be able to see several templates. All you have to do is click on the template of your choice. After that, click on the option add to my workspace. After that, you'll be able to use this template. Now if you want to share the template, what you have to do is open the template or the page that you want to share as template. After that, right over here, you'll be able to find the option for share. All you have to do is click on it. Now here you'll be able to see two options, share and publish. All you have to do is click on the publish option. Now click on the option publish that you can see right over here. Make sure duplicate as template is enabled. Now it has been published. You'll also be able to see the link over here. Simply click on the copy icon that you can see right over here. Now let's go to new tab. Click on the search bar, simply paste that link. Press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Now press enter. Now here you'll be able to see that template. So if you want to share the template, all you have to do is share this link to the person to whom you want to share the template. After that, you'll be able to share Notion template. So that is how you share template in Notion. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.